Well, no harm done. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fulton Greenwell, and I'm sent here to employ your services in the retrieval of a lost animal. Now, can you help us?
Your request is not unlike your lower intestine. Stinky and loaded with danger.
We can pay you handsomely.
I am now a child of light. Your earthly money holds no appeal to me.
$20,000.
I cannot, for I am sorely needed here at the ashram.
If I may interject, we are short of space, and it's important for you to use your talents. Let me help you back.
But I am yet to attain omnipresent supergalactic oneness.
No, wait. There it is. You just attained it.
I have.
Yes, just now. You are one. I can see it in your eyes. You're more one than anyone.
What about my medallion of spiritual accomplishment?
Take mine.
This took you 80 years to achieve.
That's okay. I don't like it anymore. Really.
In the light of this personal sacrifice you've made, I have no choice but to take the case.
Great! I'll go tell the others.
Master! Break it to them gently. I've never seen them act like that before. Denial can be an ugly... How far to the crime scene?
Well, I've been instructed to bring you first to the consulate, which should be beyond those trees, on the other side of the jungle, so we'll have to circle around! Hurry!
Steering's a little loose! Ah! Alignment's off, too!
Mr. Ventura!
Oh, you, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everywhere we go on chitty chitty weedy pants. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our pants are tender pants. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our fine four standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah!
The consulate!
Oh, thank God!
If I can just find a parking spot.
Perhaps we should slow down just a teensy-weensy bit?
Nonsense, poopy pants!
We're going a bit far! Really? Look out!
Tell me, Mr. Ventura, just how good are you? You're an extreme workaholic. You recently returned from a short trip to Khotan in northern Africa. And upon your return, you more than likely took a nasty spill because of some shoddy masonry work. Very impressive. Might one ask how? Surely. The abrasion on the palm of your left hand is a type 1 sustains breaking a fall of 3 to 5 feet. The small remnants of plaster on the tip of your shoe pointed to a careless mason being the culprit. Your new watch, a quality forgery of a Cartier, was most likely purchased through the North African black market known to reside in Khotan.
And my work habits?
Yes, a workaholic. The urine stain on your pants would signify that you're a single shake man. Far too busy for the follow-up jiggle.
Brilliant, Mr. Ventura. Simply brilliant.
Spank you, Greenwall. Spank you very much. That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
Ace Ventura, pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey, thanks for the free parking.
Another activist, McGuire.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then. You know something? You're right. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da da. Da 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 da. Da da. Hey. La da. La.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn.